I've been using this for about 6 weeks now. Initially, both lights were coming on. It was working fine, but today, this one doesn't work anymore, and it doesn't even heat up. It doesn't heat up. You see, I'm putting my hand in it. It doesn't heat anymore. It just makes the sound, but it doesn't work. This one still works, and the light comes on, but this one doesn't.
It comes on and plugged in properly. Where's the timer go? Lights are not on. So it worked and then it stopped working.
I